Plastics, as high molecular polymers, have various processing methods. Each method has its own advantages and disadvantages, and is more suitable for specific applications. Now, let's see how they are processed. Through this video, you can understand which process is more suitable for your project. 1. Injection molding. Injection molding is a common process used to manufacture identical parts of varying sizes and shapes. It involves melting the plastic granules and then injecting them into a mold under pressure. The injection molding process is highly repeatable and precise. Additionally, it is compatible with many materials and generates little waste. However, the high startup costs are its major limitation, making it unadvisable for small production runs. Injection molding has application in products with intricate shapes and high precision requirements such as electrical connectors, medical syringes, and valves, among others. Number 2. Casting. Liquid resin is mixed with a hardener and poured directly into a mold under low or no pressure. It features low tooling costs and minimal internal stress, but has a slow curing cycle. It's widely used for high durability or optical parts like acrylic sheets, large nylon gears, and polyurethane rollers. Number 3. Blow molding. A heated plastic tube is inflated inside a mold using compressed air. It's highly efficient, lightweight, and leak-proof. The wall thickness control is less precise, used everywhere for hollow containers like water bottles, shampoo bottles, and fuel tanks. Number 4. Thermoforming. A flat plastic sheet is heated until soft, then pulled against a mold surface using a vacuum. It has low mold costs and fast development, but uneven wall stretching. Commonly used for shallow packaging like disposable meal boxes, trays, and protective housings. Number 5. Compression molding. Preheated material is placed into a heated mold cavity and compressed under high mechanical pressure. It produces high-strength, heat-resistant parts but has lower automation. Ideal for thermoset plastics like electrical switches, headlight bases, and dinnerware. Number 6. Rotational molding. Plastic powder is loaded into a mold that rotates along two axes while heated, letting gravity coat the walls evenly. It creates stress-free, seamless, extra-large hollow products, but with longer cycle times. Perfect for large items like water storage tanks, outdoor kayaks, and playground equipment. Number 7. Calendaring. Molten plastic is squeezed through a series of heated rollers to form continuous sheets or films. It delivers high output and exceptional thickness accuracy, but requires massive initial equipment investment. Essential for continuous rolls like PVC film, synthetic leather, and waterproofing membranes. Number 8. Foaming. A blowing agent is added to the plastic, creating millions of tiny microcellular bubbles as it cures. It provides great lightweighting, thermal insulation, and shock absorption, though with reduced surface smoothness. Used for packaging foams, insulation layers, and shoe soles. Number 9. Additive manufacturing. Parts are built layer by layer directly from a 3D CAD model. It requires no tooling, offers ultimate design freedom, and enables rapid iteration, though unit cost is high for volume production. Perfect for prototyping, medical dental models, and custom objects. Choosing the right process? Ask 3 questions. Shape solid precision parts. Injection molding. Hollow containers. Blow small or rotomolding large. Flat sheets or films. Thermoforming or calendaring. Volume and budget 1-10 units. 3D printing. No tooling. Hundreds to thousands. Thermoforming or casting. Low mold cost. Hundreds of thousands. Injection or blow molding. High tooling, lowest per part cost. Volume and budget 1-10 units. 3D printing. No tooling. Hundreds to thousands. Thermoforming or casting. Low mold cost. Hundreds of thousands. Injection or blow molding. High tooling, lowest per part cost. If you are unsure about which one is the best fit for your project, feel free to contact KAIAO. We have a team of professional engineers ready to support you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.